Hello, I just want to do a really quick video on answering this question. I got answered by a ticket. I've been answered this a few times. Is there an easier way to navigate Zoho One? So what they mean is it's not obvious how to jump around. There isn't an inbuilt menu to jump around places. So the easiest way I see it is if you go to Zoho.com one, or you go and log in wherever you're logging in, right? So just log in. When you log in at Zoho One, let's see how many times I've had test accounts. So let me log in. Right, so when I log in, let me turn this off before I get asked lots of football questions. I should delete a lot of them, they don't even work. Right, so when you log in, you're in your Zoho One app and you get all these whatever your application, whatever signed up you are, that you get a link to it, right? So whatever it is. But what you'll see when you're logged in is you can just go to one.zoho.com, right? And it'll jump you to that page. And then you can link, obviously then you can click whichever one you want from there, right? But then you get to CRM and you're like, well, how do I get to social, or how do I get to click, or how do I get to whatever it is? So there isn't an easy answer, but you could create your own linking page. I could create a linking page to do it as well. But what you've got to do is, and when you get used to it, it's quite easy. So if I want to go to Zoho Social to post some social media, I just type in social.zoho.com and that'll jump me to Zoho Social, right? If I want to go to click, I go click.zoho.com and it picks it up, right? Same with, it's not been set up yet probably. Sites, if I've got to go and edit the website, sites.zoho.com. Oh, it's not site, it's sites, right? Sites.zoho.com. So when you work out where you need to be, you've literally just got to put in the subdomain name. So it's crmzoho.com. And that will jump you straight to where you need to be. So it's a little bit of a pain. If you're looking for that main menu, go one.zoho.com. And that will give you all those links. So that's probably the best way to do it. Just go to one.zoho.com and it will give you the links. There isn't any interactive link within any of these menus. You could, in theory, create your own buttons and do stuff, but I think once you work out that that everything is just that campaign. I think you can actually put campaign. Yeah, I've done it before, and it'll forward. They realise people put campaign when it's campaigns. So put in the subdomain .zoho.com and you will get there. Go to zoho.com/one to log in, or one.zoho.com to get all to your apps. So it's just a quick tip. I know it's not ideal. I know you probably wish there was something up here that you could click. In some of them there is, but it's only internal to whatever that bunch of apps are. And maybe Zoho will eventually have some sort of little footer or header for Zoho One customers so they can jump around. So I hope that helped. Not ideal, but it answers the questions. I think that'll make it a little bit easier for you. Hope that helps. Any questions? Like that. This one, to be fair, came through a ticket. But if you go to contact me, there's a little bit of information saying just write new topic. If you go home and just click on when you're logged in, new topic, and write it in, your questions will be what other people have got as well. You'll be helping everybody, because people are scared to write topics, to put their neck out and say, I don't know how to do this. And if you leap first and dive in and do it, it would be amazing. Thanks, guys.